This video tutorial is about getting rid of the fake human verification alerts that are related to the site harmonyboss.com. Harmonyboss.com. This is a malicious site attacking Google, Chrome, and other browsers. It tries to make users click on allow, supposedly to help them verify that they are humans and not robots. But to click on allow is definitely a mistake, because this would hijack the browser with plenty of advertisements that would keep attacking the screen in the form of repeated web push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow, you need to fix your browser by accessing the menu Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications and carefully check the sites allowed to send notifications. So when you find this harmonyboss.com, you need to remove it from the list, and also don't hesitate to remove other malicious sites from this list. There is a program that can help you do all that automatically. I recommend you to use it. The program is called Combo Cleaner. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.